Today, let's take a look at the model printed from this customized 10K lens and model. Printing high-definition 3D monster models is also effortless. The printing size 228 by 128 by 250 millimeters, 10.3-inch 8K black in widescreen, resolution 7680 of 1320 pixel accuracy, 0.035 millimeters, achieving ultra-high detail accuracy and longer service life. We also provide customized services that can be upgraded to 10K 1K. Printed models include jewelry, dentistry, characters, animal models, etc. If you are interested in this lens AM, you can contact us and we can provide all EMODM and customized services.